Twisting nouns, when countable meets uncountable. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an intriguing part of English language learning. Nouns that can be both countable and uncountable. It might sound tricky, but don't worry. We're going to clarify this topic step by step, focusing on common mistakes and exceptions. First, let's quickly revisit what countable and uncountable nouns are. Countable nouns are things that we can count, like apple. We can have 1 apple, 2 apples, and so on. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, are substances or concepts we can't divide into separate elements, like water or happiness. We can't say 1 water or 2 happinesses. But here's the twist. Some nouns can be both countable and uncountable, depending on the context. And it's crucial to understand the difference, as it changes the noun's meaning. Let's see some examples. Light can mean the natural agent that stimulates sight and makes things visible, which is uncountable, or it can refer to a lamp, a countable object. For example, turn off the light, referring to a lamp, versus I love the light in the early morning, referring to natural light. Similarly, experience can be uncountable when talking about the knowledge or skill acquired by doing something, like in I have experience in marketing. When referring to a particular incident or event, it becomes countable, as in, that was a scary experience. There are some common mistakes when it comes to using these nouns. Remember, when a noun is used in its uncountable form, we don't use a or n before it, and it doesn't take a plural form. However, an exception to this is when we use an uncountable noun in a more specific sense. For example, I would like a coffee. Here, we mean a cup of coffee, making it countable. Learning by doing is the best approach. Try making sentences using the same noun in its countable and uncountable form. Here's one to start with. Time. As uncountable, you might say, I don't have much time. As countable, it could be, I've had some great times on vacation. So, we've taken a closer look at those sneaky nouns that can be both countable and uncountable, with their meanings shifting based on usage. With a bit of practice, you'll master this in no time. Keep practicing and remember, every mistake is a step closer to perfection. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.